Diamond Art Peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. I am doing a completion today. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, I thank you so very much. So I will get right to it. So this has been a labor of love, and I tell you, this is another one of those canvases that you love and then you hate it. So first I will show you, and it's huge. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lay it down and then I'll pull it up slowly. So this is Diamond Art Club's, this is Twinzies by Mandy Manzano. This is a 56 centimeters by 79. It is a square. There was 46 colors plus 4 ABs. I was really very happy with using the ABs because normally they don't, I've noticed that the Diamond Art Club uses the ABs, but not a lot. And I was on the white, I thought I was actually going to run out of because I was using it quite a bit throughout the picture. So I was really happy about that because I like using the ABs. So it was, I guess altogether 68,952 diamonds. Now, so I'm just gonna give you like a little slowly. It is a beautiful, beautiful canvas, and the picture came out great. And even though in the camera you can't see all of the gapping, but there's a lot of gapping and popping like you would not believe. It was like, it drove me crazy. Absolutely crazy. Now I started this May 23rd, and I worked on it for a little bit, and then I stopped, and I did some other canvases, and then I did Christmas in July, and then I started again right after I finished with my Christmas in July, which was at the end of July, and then I worked on it until I finished it yesterday, August 24th. The ABs, like you can see right here, on this side, here in the center, over here. I mean, I use a lot of the, especially of the white ABs. Let me pull it down a little bit more. A lot of the white ABs, like right here. All of this is a white AB, and here. So there was more color blocking than confetti, which was really kind of surprising, but like especially obviously in the hair, but like in the all over, really there was a lot of more color blocking, like I said. My true complaints were the gapping and the popping. I mean, oh my God, it would be like I would be trying to get a diamond down and it would pop, I mean, like off the canvas. And you know what? And I am the first to say that it's probably user error, but I started off with like I believe it was like a 6 placer, maybe 4. No, I think it was 6 placer. And then I went from that to a 3 because I thought maybe that would be better. It worked a little better than the 4 placer, because I find myself, I guess, you know, I would get it in line and then the next one would be a little off, and so I was using my straightener to keep them straight, to keep everything straight. But it's still, by the time that I filled in a particular area, it was just like crazy. It would be so tight, and it was just, oh my God. Oh my God. I just didn't know what to do, but I made it through. I was just like, oh, I am finishing this if it's the last thing that I do. And so it is finished, and I really love it. I'm kind of like, okay, I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it. You know, I don't know if I'll frame it or not, but I'm definitely hanging it up on my walls until I make my decision. So this is just a really quick video. So like I said, and oh, also before I forget, I think, oh, and I forgot to write that down. I think that I paid like $63 or something like that for this picture. And then I noticed that when I went to Diamond Art to look at now that it's actually on sale for like $55. So if this is something that you would like to do, it's, I don't know. I mean, I think that I would do it again, but I don't know, guys. Like I said, the gapping and the popping more than anything drove me crazy, because I know that you're not going to get all of them in squares to lay right flush against each other, and looking at it in the camera, you can't tell at all. It's not until, and really just looking at it, when I'm looking at it now, you can't really tell a lot of the gapping. More of like when I have it under the light pad is when you can really see it. But it is beautiful. It is beautiful. So I'm gonna have you look at it one more time. And it's, oh my God, it's so heavy. It is like incredible. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I would have to, if I hung it up, I think I probably would want to frame it just because of all the popping. And I had drills, like I would rub my hands and then I'd have like drills all in my hands. But last night, after I finished it, I took my little toothbrush and I went over everything, and I took my rolling pin and I rolled it back and forth, sideways, up and down. And so I love it, but boy, this again tested my nerves. So here it is, and it's beautiful. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. And what I would do is that I would work on one section at one time, and then I would go over to the next section and work on that. And I did that for a little bit, and then I just kind of started finishing her for some reason, and I finished the hair. Because when I have a lot of color blocking, like especially in the hair, I try to get that done first, because this is what took me the longest. And so I did her hair and pretty much all of her but like her arms, and then I started working on the other twin, and I did a little bit of the hair, and then I started doing the body, and then I start working on the arms and all of that, and I waited. And so her hair is what I had to finish, and I was going to finish it like the night before, but I got sick, and I was like, okay. So when I got home yesterday, I was like, I am finishing this if it kills me. So this took me the longest. I mean, I think I had done about this much, and so I had all of that to do. So, and I just lost a couple of drills. Oh my God. So, and the skin tone is really good. I'm really happy with it. So, and the facial expression is, I mean, it's not like really detailed a lot, but you can see, I mean, because like it's like their eyes aren't open, kind of, but it turned out really great. It turned out really great. So anyway, so if you like what you see, please will you hit that like button on the way out. If you are interested in joining my channel, please hit the subscription and that bell, and it will notify you every time that I put up a video. I hope everybody is having a fabulous day. The weather here in Oklahoma is kind of waxing and waning between hot and cool. We are just like today in the 90s, low 90s, but it's still pretty humid. So look out for your elderly, look out for your pets and for yourself if you're out in this weather, and enjoy the rest of your week and get ready for the weekend. And just thank you so much for the people who have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. So keep diamond painting. Thank you.